6 in the morning. And gotta get my stuff ready for the gym. Make my my intro workout. I don't take a pre-workout anymore. Just trying to reduce just caffeine and stuff. I could get a non-stim one, but also want to kind of reduce chemicals. Period. But let's go. I don't get a chance to eat. I have to whisper because my kids are still sleeping. Cool. All right, guys. I just finished my second push day, chest, shoulders stuff. Couldn't film inside. There's way too many people, so I don't like doing that, interfering with other people's workouts, trying to get my camera. But you know, it is what it is. It's a good workout. It's my lighter one. I don't go as heavy, but I do more volume. So then I'll have another push workout next week where I'll take a couple exercises and just go heavy. So I don't know, just what I do. But it is now 5:52, so I've been here for about 50 minutes. Little less. Got everything done. Feel great. Now I get to go home and get my kids ready for school. So, day in the life is what we do. Ready? And maybe I'll see you guys later. Hey, what's going on? It's a lot later in the day. I haven't really been able to do much. Just been busy working. Kids went out. It's 10 o'clock. So last time you saw me was about 6 a.m. Got home, had my post-workout shake, a cup of coffee, get the kids off to school, you know, they got their breakfast in, and then came back and then just went straight to work and started doing some computer stuff and all that fun jazz. Had another meal, which was about 4 ounces of grilled chicken and some rice and beans that I had. Add a little bit of salsa to that. Very nice, very tasty. But it'll hold me over. I have a meeting at 12, and then it's just back to work, and then picking up the kids later on. So, and then somewhere in there I'll walk the dog. But that's basically what, you know, being a single dad raising 2 kids in New York, you know, is like. That's basically my daily. Up at 4. Moving it by 4:30, being at the gym by 5, working out, coming home, post-workout shake, kids to school, and then eat, and then work, meetings, work, get the kids from school, and then, you know, more work, you know, dinner, and then just computer stuff, and just working on that fun jazz. So that's pretty much it. You know, I'm a 44-year-old guy. I got 2 awesome kids. One's basically a teenager. And this is it. You know, I've been in fitness for 27 years. And I'm just, you know, it's do I eat healthy? Yeah, of course I do. Do I have my choice of foods? Of course I do. You know, I definitely do not, sorry about that light. I don't limit myself to pretty much anything. If I want a pizza, I eat it. If I want a hamburger, I eat it. I'm living my lifestyle the way I want to. Limiting fats, so I should say that. I do that. I do limit junk food. But if I want chocolate chip cookies, guess what? I'm going to have them. I'm just not going to eat that entire bag. Because I know what I need to do, and that's what everybody needs to figure out for themselves. It's just know your limits. That's it. You know, you could enjoy everything you want. You know, we got to get out of this persona or this perception that I need to no carbs, you know, got to go keto because I need to drop 50 pounds in a week for a wedding. That's not going to happen, you know, and to be honest, that's completely unhealthy. So we honestly should just be trying to live our best lives, being as happy as we possibly can, and sometimes that happiness involves eating cake. Have a slice of cake. Who cares? Enjoy yourself. That's the whole point. Because when you're happier, life is better. And you're not going to care if you have an extra 10 pounds or an extra 5 pounds. As long as your heart is healthy, your lungs are good, you're, no major diseases, hopefully, for anybody. These are the things that we really need to think about. What's really important in life. Is being rail thin or a fitness influencer the important things in life? Absolutely not. No, it is not. Most people look at me and they don't realize that I'm 250 pounds. I carry it well, supposedly. Whatever that means. But that's my point. Just be happy with who you are. Be comfortable with who you are. You want to lose a little weight? Okay, make the effort. Exercise regularly and just eat better. You don't have to eat perfect. I say that all the time. Lifestyle management is really just knowing the balance between what you should be eating, what you could be eating, and what you want to be eating. And throwing in some physical activity in there. Doesn't have to be the gym. Playing a sport, going for a walk, hanging out with friends, going bike riding, things like that. That's physical activity. That all counts. You want to go to the gym, that sometimes makes it easier, especially when the weather changes and it's raining and stuff. But hey, it doesn't have to be. But listen, that's it. So this is what I do as a single dad, raising 2 kids and a dog in New York. I say it like that because that's all over my website. And I want to promote a normal, healthy lifestyle. But keyword there is normal. And what's normal is doing what makes you happy. You want to eat a salad and only a salad? You want to pretend you're a rabbit? Go right ahead. But try to make sure you're balanced somewhere in there. You got a good amount of carbohydrates, good amount of protein, good amount of fat. Okay? You don't need specific numbers. Okay? The only numbers you need are too much or too little. That's all you need to know. You don't need to know all the minuscule stuff in between. Majority of us, those who are watching this, probably aren't professional athletes, aren't competitors, aren't going to be on the stage, showing themselves off, or on, a football field or a soccer field or baseball. You get the idea. Most people, who are going to be watching this, and most people that I work with, don't do that. So we don't need specifics. Okay, we don't need, you only can have, 10 grams of fat, for 4 days, and then you have to have a refeed, and then you have to have all these carbohydrates. You don't need that. Okay? We don't. We just have to be happy with what we eat. As long as your digestion is good, your heart is good, your lung is good, your blood pressure, and all that fun stuff. That's all you need in life. You have the energy to keep up with kids and grandkids and significant others and whatever the case may be. That's what you need. You want, as we get older, bones and joints ache regardless of what we do. But you could get down on the floor, and if you could get back up, huge goal. Huge goal as we get older. I make fun of my parents all the time. But this is what true lifestyle is. Okay? Live a real life. Eat your food. Eat good food. Enjoy good food. Enjoy good food with good people. That is happiness. That is a good lifestyle. Okay? Don't stress yourself out over, do I fit into this? Do I look like them? But definitely do not look like people that you see on social media, because most of that stuff is fake anyway. They're on drugs, most of them, and they Photoshop most of their stuff anyway. That's the truth. Okay? Lifestyle management. Okay? At its core is balance between what you want, what you should, and what you can. That's eat and do and all that fun stuff, okay? You guys have a great day. I gotta go make a coffee, do some work, and then hopefully I'll see you again. You ready? You have any questions, drop them in the comments, all right? Thanks for watching, man.